Hey, it's Dave Rex. Checking out the forecast here now. This radar loop, as you can see, ending around 6:35, 6:40 or so. Some of those showers on the west side, if they get here during the evening, it's probably going to be late 9:30, 10:30, something like that. Maybe just a couple sprinkles. So that's not really the concern of the issue. We've got some warmth today, obviously. Got up to 53. And overnight tonight will be around 40 degrees. So you saw a couple little sprinkles try to go through there. Really, it's more about tomorrow morning. Temperatures are going to stay warm, so it's all rain. We'll be in the mid to upper 40s on Saturday. And we could have a couple of rain showers. So late tonight, a few scattered showers are possible of rain, 40 for low. The wind stays up tonight and tomorrow as well, 15 to 25 miles an hour. That keeps the temperature driving up too. 49 for high on Saturday. The rain chances only in the morning, ending northwest to southeast. The best chance of sunshine is probably a little north and west of town in Detroit. 40 on Sunday, a bit of sun, not tons, but a little bit here. That's still obviously very warm. 32 is our normal high this time of year. And then we get a reality check. Monday, chance for a couple of snow showers. Highs in the 20s only Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday's low around 15. That's pretty cold, but we quickly climb back up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we go back down again. So it's the proverbial roller coaster. Now Friday is Groundhog's Day, and Thursday night, and Friday we could get some snow around here. Maybe we just keep doing it again and again and again. Whatever you're doing this weekend, try to enjoy the warmth, relative anyway, and be safe.